On this video, let's go over the things we use for fashion. So first word is fashion, 时尚. Clothing, 衣服. Your clothes looks fashionable. 你的衣服很时尚. I like the clothes that you are wearing today. You look pretty. 我喜欢你今天穿的衣服，你看上去很漂亮。Where did you buy your clothes? It looks good on you. 你在哪里买的衣服？很适合你。Shirt, 衬衫。Long sleeve shirt, 长袖衬衫。Short sleeve shirt, 短袖衬衫。I like wearing long sleeve shirt when going to office. 我上班喜欢穿长袖衬衫。Dress, 裙子。You look beautiful when you wear that dress. 你穿那条裙子很漂亮。裤子 Pants. I like the design of your pants. 我喜欢你裤子的设计。I don't like the color of my pants. 我不喜欢我裤子的颜色。Cap, 帽子。I love to wear baseball caps. 我喜欢戴棒球帽。Watch, 手表。My boyfriend just bought a new watch for me. 我男朋友买了一块手表给我。Sunglasses, 墨镜。I want to buy sunglasses for our vacation trip. 我想要买墨镜，等我们去旅行的时候。Okay, so what have you learned? If our video has helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any video topics you want to watch in our upcoming videos, leave your comment below, because we will create for you. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below. And if you think the video can benefit to someone, please share our video to them so that we can help more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye!